Hello guys, today we have a special succès. Succès is kind of dicquoise but really tasty. You will really enjoy. And all the video will take like 5 minutes. This is the succès. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I'm World African Pastry Champion 2011 and the Coupe du Monde de la Pâtisserie as Egyptian team coach. Also corporate pastry chef for Norwegian Cruise Line, before Royal Caribbean, before anything. So let's start. 300 gram egg white, 100 gram sugar. We keep in the whisk to be meringue. In other bowl we added 120 gram almond, 120 gram hazelnut flour, 250 sugar powder or icing sugar, 50 gram flour. These 4 ingredients we mix it together, then strain. In the side, small bowl with 40 gram of melted butter. So we strain all dry ingredients to be sure that all fluffy together, harmonize. And then we bring the meringue. When we bring the meringue, we strain in the big one to avoid the lumps. In meantime, egg white and sugar becomes meringue. Here the meringue, we take little of meringue, mix it with the melted butter. Why? Because if you drop the butter on top of the big quantity of meringue, it will be down. So we need it fluffy and we make it nice. So we mix it with the butter, then we return it back to the big mixture. You see the increased quantity and becomes more fluffy. Here we go. We pour into the meringue and then dry ingredients and mix all together. So all the recipe you will find in the description box below. So you press and you will find the whole recipe down. This succès completely different than dicquoise because this succès is ton by ton. That means measurement of flour, measurement of hazelnut powder, equal measurement of almond flour or almond powder. So mix all together is give completely different taste. Then we pour into tray 5 milli high. So less than 1 centimeter because you know the dicquoise must be crunchy, is kind of biscuit. So this will be best for many cakes. Also you can make it as a gâteau, as what we do. We fill in ganache. You can fill it praline, pistachio cream, whatever you name it. This biscuit is wonderful for any cake or any mousse you want to make. Now we have to make all the same size. So with ruler it can be all the same and you adjust the quantity and the highness should be all the same. So you avoid any small thing to be dry. So 200 centigrade for 10 minutes. You bake 200 centigrade for 10 minutes and you will have fantastic dicquoise succès. Then you can fill it whatever you name it. Here we fill the biscuit with ganache. The ganache really small recipe, 1 liter of hot fresh cream on top of 1 kilo 300 gram of dark chocolate 64%. You leave it room temperature, then you can spread on top of the succès. Here we go. We added ganache. And then you cover with another layer of the succès. So you can give 3 layers or 4 layers, is up to you. In this case I make 4 layer because I like to be tasty decoys. Another layer of success biscuit. You can call it success or decoys as you like, but the completely taste different when you measure 50% almond flour, 50% hazelnut flour. It's really completely fantastic aroma. If this is first time to watch my channel, please make subscribe, make like if you see the video is useful, and please, most of all, you must leave the comment to tell us if we're doing good, if we need to improve. Your comment always value to us. So enjoy the taste and the flavor of success ganache, and you can use the same biscuit for variety of cakes or mousse. Different aroma, the texture is different, and most of all, the taste is wonderful. Thanks for being my channel Sugar Emperor.